Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back Rimsha decor. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss another amazing video designs and decor ideas. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about cake designs for 3 tiers in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, stylish, eye-catching cake decor ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea of how your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity I mentioned on my YouTube video. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. All the cake designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. I hope you love my cake designs. I hope you enjoy my cake designs. I hope you love the designs of creativity. Thank you so much guys for watching, to like, to share to my YouTube video. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very scientific and creative for you. Beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of design, then please like, share, comment on my YouTube video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decorating ideas transfer space into bride celebrations. I am sure cake decor ideas from this video. All the designs look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. All the designs are very unique and trendy. If you like more ideas specific design, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please make sure press the bell icon and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can choose each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you like these designs with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful, cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decor ideas from this video. If you like any designs, then take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. All the design looks so attractive, so stylish, so amazing and so beautiful. Comment and tell me which design you like the most. Let me know in the comment page you are watching from. These designs special for your events. Save this video for next events or functions. Which design you like my most beautiful. 2026 most trending designs. Every design is easy and trendy. Comment your favorite designs, share with your friends. If you want to see more make party decor or cake decor, then please visit my channel. Thank you so much everyone.